If you've been looking for the perfect family home, you're going to want to watch this one right through to the end. Very well updated, completely finished, situated in one of Brantford's most desirable neighborhoods, and only a 2-minute walk to great amenities. Amenities such as grocery stores, department stores, restaurants, banking, as well quick commute to Highway 403 and Highways 24. Come on in. Pride of ownership is extremely evident throughout, and it offers beautiful curb appeal that you witness as soon as you pull up to the home, offering 3 large and very spacious bedrooms, 3 very well updated bathrooms, as well as a rough-in for a 4th in the beautifully finished basement. Finished from top to bottom, loaded with an abundance of storage, as well as this luxurious kitchen featuring its Viking appliances. If you love what you've seen and you want more information, be sure to give Ryan a ring or reach out to your realtor today.